Understanding the stock market. The stock market is where shares of publicly held companies are bought and sold. Manufacturing simulations shorten the lead time of the manufacturing system construction. It includes formal exchanges, over-the-counter marketplaces. Did you know that the first stock market was the London Stock Exchange, which started in a coffee house in 1773? The first stock exchange in the United States began in Philadelphia in 1790, and the Buttonwood Agreement in 1792 marked the beginning of New York's Wall Street. The stock market provides a secure and regulated environment for participants to transact in shares and other financial instruments. It acts as both a primary and secondary market. This helps companies raise capital. In the primary market, companies issue and sell their shares to the public through an initial public offering, IPO. A listed company may also offer new shares through rights issues or follow-on offerings. They may even buy back or delist their shares. The New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ, two leading U.S. stock exchanges,